Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyle, and this channel is all about houseplant things. And in today's video, I'm going to IKEA to see what they have for spring 2021. So, to keep the intro short, if you want to see what IKEA has for spring 2021, keep on watching. They have this begonia maculata, a fake plant. Maybe I'll have to get one of those because I kind of killed mine. Actually, it looks really cute. Some beautiful like flowers and ivies for $8.99. We've got some window baskets here that are really cute. I've got them in this cute kind of green color and a black, which is really nice. They don't have a price. Some plant stands. And over here we've got lots and lots of pots. Actually, I had my eye on this one. It's really cute. It's got like a soft outside and a glazed inside. A nice cover pot. And those are $3.99. New really nice terracotta pots. Really like these. These are really beautiful. Nice green ceramic. Some more hanging pots there. Another kind of windowsill or a planter to hang on the deck. It's really nice. Oh, the other one that I had in mind here A nice tall green ceramic one. And they've got some baskets. These baskets are nice because they have a plastic insert, so you don't have to worry about water damage. We even have some succulents here in stock. So if anyone is looking for some succulents in this really cold weather, they've got them. We've got a couple prices. These big ones here are $12.99. Got some cacti here for $4.99. These guys are really cute. Some more succulents here. If anyone is looking for some snake plants, they definitely have enough. You got the big ones here for $24.99. And some smaller ones for $8.99. Got these, and then like a plastic pot that looks like it's concrete. I love those ones. Look like they are for $5.99. Whoa. Okay, I love this one. This pot here. I'm not sure how much it is, but oh my god. I love that. Got these guys, Dracaenas. They're $49.99. Nice big ones. A really good price. For anyone looking for ZZ plants, they've got lots here and they look really good. We have some Aglionemas here, and they are $21.99 for a good size. And they look really nice and healthy. And we have smaller Dracaenas here for $19.99. They also look really nice. We got these guys, a bunch of these. They're $9.99. We have some big palms here for $19.99, which is actually, I would say, a really good deal for these. That's so nice. And for fiddle leaf lovers, we have some fiddle leaves for $27.99. Alright, I'm back from IKEA. And oh my god, if you're planning to go to IKEA here in Winnipeg, dress warm. Because no matter what, there seems to always be a line, and it is very cold. Luckily, when we went, the line wasn't too long. Didn't have to wait outside for very long. But still, if you're going, please dress warm. It's cold. As you can see, they have a really good selection this year so far. It's really beautiful. They've actually rearranged part of that store, and it looks really good, and I really like it. So I did end up getting a couple things. One of which being this green pot here. I really love it. I love that it's like this really like spring glazed inside with this soft matte out like exterior, and on the inside it has like a lip, so you can put a plant in there and it won't sit too far down in, so it'll sit nicely. I haven't decided what plant I want to put in it, but I think I might get like a neon pothos or something. It would be a really cool like all green looking color. And yeah, I don't know, it was only $6.99, which isn't bad. And they have the smaller like orange color, put on the screen. And then what they don't have online is the larger like dark blue color one. And I think I want to get that at some point. I just don't have a plant big enough to put in it yet. And the next thing I got is this cute little simple picture frame that has its own little stand, so it can just stand on its own. And it was, I believe, $5.99. And I just got it to use as a gift for someone here in the city. So as you can see, IKEA has really stepped up the game this year with their houseplant area, and I really like it. They've done a really good job. And I like that everything is pretty affordable. So no matter what your budget, you can probably find something that you like there. So yeah, if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And leave a comment if you saw any planters or plants that you liked. I would love to hear about it. And that's going to do it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!